welcome to the last day of our Walt Disney World trip. For our final day, we are going to Hollywood Studios. Our flight is actually leaving tonight, so we're going to check out of the hotel we've been staying at and then load up the car with our luggage and then just hang out at the park for the day. And then once we drop off our car, we're just going to take an Uber to the airport. So we're just going to eat our breakfast quickly. We've been having breakfast every morning in the room. We ended up just buying a few things from Publix to have, like oatmeal and yogurt in that. So it's been really easy and quick in the morning. But I've got to finish getting packed up, eat breakfast, throw stuff in the car, and then we're gonna head over to Hollywood Studios. But before we get into today, I just wanted to quickly go over where we've been staying at the Holiday Inn Lake Buena Vista. This is considered a Good Neighbor hotel. What that means is basically there's not really any good perks or anything to going to the parks or getting in early or anything, but it just means that it is close to the Walt Disney World resort and that it is like a recommended hotel to stay at. This hotel I've noticed is like huge. There is 6 floors total, and it can be a little confusing at first as to like where to go and how to find your room, just because there's so many different hallways in that, and just because it is such a big resort. But once you spend like a day or two here, you get used to it. The lobby area is massive. I loved walking into that, and it's very impressive actually. It's big and open air, and they have a convention room center here as well. They also have a giant like variety store, so that if you are forgetting anything on your trip, you can definitely find it here. They had a wide selection of like wine, beer, other alcohol. They also had every kind of snack under the sun that you could think of that you might want, and like breakfast items in that, milk and water and everything. And they even had some gifts as well. And then also in the lobby area, they have a little desk there where you can buy park tickets. Not really sure of the pricing or anything because we had already bought our park tickets in advance, but it's nice to know that you have that option if you want to buy tickets when you get to the hotel. There's also a restaurant connected to the hotel, and it is an Applebee's, so it's convenient to have that. There's also a cute little movie theater where they play movies I think it was every night. I'm not sure because we didn't go to see a movie at all, but they also had an arcade, which was on the smaller side, but you know, it was nice that they still had it. There's also an outdoor pool. The pool area, we only kind of really walked around. We didn't really go swimming, but it looked really nice. And there was like also like a water park for the younger kids. The only downside to that area is there was like a smoking area there. So every time we went outside, you kind of get that smell of cigarette smoke, which was kind of not so great if you're sensitive to that kind of thing. The other thing that really won up to this hotel for us was the fact that you get housekeeping every day, unlike at the Disney resorts where it's every other day. And when you're paying a premium to stay at a Disney resort, I think at this point you should be getting housekeeping every day. The security here is also great. I love the fact for like the parking. Parking is $10 US per night. And it's all gated, so you'd have to scan your room key to get in every time. So that was a huge plus, and we never had a hard time finding parking when we were here. The elevator was also great too. The fact that it is 6 floors, it was quick. We never really had to wait, and it was never very busy. And I already did a room tour before, but I just wanted to say again that like the room here is massive. It's like unreal how big this room is. The only downside I found was the noise. The walls are pretty thin. You can hear your neighbors quite a bit, and we could also hear people sometimes like talking just outside, like even outside our window. You can hear people coming in and out of the door from outside. So noise is kind of a factor. So I found like I did have to definitely sleep with earplugs, but I find that's the same at a Disney resort too. Like you can hear people sometimes walking above you or talking in the next room, or the toilet's flushing. So I find that that's kind of everywhere. And then location. The location of this hotel is fantastic. You're like 5-10 minutes from Disney Springs driving. It is right off the I-4. It's really easy and quick to get on the highway and go to the parks. The only downside is that in the mornings and like during rush hour and that, traffic can get kind of backed up. So keep that in mind when you are going to the parks and like first thing in the morning to allow yourself some more time. But we never really had to sit in traffic for very long. It's also very close to the premium outlets. It's like 5 minutes away. 5 minutes away also from like a Publix and a Target. There wasn't really any Walmarts close by, so if you're looking for a Walmart, that's about like 15 to 20 minutes from here, so that's a bit further. But otherwise, the location was awesome. So for an off-site hotel option, the Holiday Inn Lake Buena Vista is awesome. I give it like 2 big thumbs up. I would definitely recommend to stay here if you're looking to come to Disney on a budget. and want to stay near the parks, but also have time away from Disney as well, this is perfect. I would definitely stay here again. Okay, so one last quick check of everything. We're pretty much packed. Looking in the closet, nothing there. In the bathroom, check. Let's see. Oh yes, my loofah. I'll probably just, I like to bring one of these, but then I can just toss them at the end when we're done. So yes, that's not coming home with us. Okay. We just got some water left in the bedroom and got our suitcases all packed, all ready to go. And yeah, I think we're all set. Hi there. Just checking out.
You can just
yeah, just here.
What's your room number?
It was 215. Hollywood. It's gonna rain, oh no. It's a cloudy, overcast morning today. I think we might be getting some rain. I looked at the radar and it's looking kind of scary. But hopefully we miss it for the most part. We brought our ponchos, so we're prepared. So we're gonna see if we can meet up with the rest of the group now. All right, you can see how dark it is over there. That's a storm coming. So we're gonna go take refuge in the stores for a bit while the group is finishing Mickey and Minnie's. And then hopefully the storm passes over and we don't get soaked. And here's the rain. Everyone is rushing into the stores now to escape it, but hopefully it doesn't last too long. We are stuck and trapped in the store as it keeps on raining. It's so rainy. It's coming down quite a bit out there. Lots of thunder and lightning too. So when I was in the character warehouse the other day, these I found there were all 99 cents and they were still like good. Like the best before was like May 28th, so it still had quite a long time. But here they're $5.99, so quite a good saving. All right, it looks like it's finally stopped raining, which is good. We escaped the rain by going into Muppet Visions 3D. Alex, Dan, my brother-in-law, and Jude, they all decided to go on Tower of Terror. Alex really wanted to go on it because he's never gone on it here, so he really wanted to try it out. I didn't want to go on it, so I was like, Dan could go with him. So that's what they're doing. They had to wait a little while in line. But they should be almost through. Then I think we're gonna go into like Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and wander around there a bit, maybe try and get on Rise. And right now we're just having a sit down at Baseline Tap House while we wait for them to finish Tower of Terror. How was Tower of Terror, Alex?
Oh, it was great.
Yeah?
Yeah. Maybe, top 3 ride for me in all the parks. I love it.
You're crazy.
It's so fun.
I hate that ride. We hate that ride.
Why on the wild?
Because it gives you the thrills.
It does not.
It gives us the scares.
That's great.
Well, that's good. I'm glad you enjoyed it. All right, and so now we're all gonna go on Rise because it's actually still up and hasn't gone down, which is good. I'm really glad we have a lightning lane right now because the current wait time is 150 minutes for this ride, which is insane. I don't know if I could ever wait that long for a ride. I think my max is about an hour, and that's even pushing it.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vacara.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Left side taking evasive action.
Try to shake your balloon.
I'm trying.
Right, copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Oh no, we're trapped. Oh no.
Back through with the resistance and we're here to rescue. We gotta move. Let's go.
Go, 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 go.
Now you're gonna want to hold on to our store loose items that you put on your head. Hold extra tight. R5's program to get you out of here, but he's a reckless driver. So hold on. We don't want to lose anything or anyone on the way out of here. Right?
Right.
Perfect. I'm glad we're on the same. Of course. Hold your thanks until we're back on Batuu. It's not over.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Hate these two droids anyway. Tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
We stopped for lunch at ABC Commissary. I don't think I've eaten here, or it's been very long since I've eaten here, but our food looks quite good. I got something small, and Alex actually got something that looks quite delicious, so I'll show you what we got. So Alex got the pork adobo, which actually looks really good. It comes with like rice and this like cucumber salad, whereas mine looks kind of plain Jane. I just went for like a kid's meal because I don't eat that much. So I got a grilled ham and cheese sandwich, fries, and water. Oh, I didn't get like mandarins with them. I thought it was supposed to come with like a fruit or something. Oh well, that's okay. Our lunch was delicious. Alex really enjoyed his pork adobo. Right, Alex?
Very good. One of the best quick service items I've had.
Yep. We're winning on the food front, I think, this time. My kid's meal was, it was simple. It's nothing to write home about, but it's a kid's meal. What can you say? And the fries were all right. They just needed a little bit more salt, in my opinion. But otherwise, yeah, the food at ABC Commissary is pretty good. I do recommend getting mobile order, though, because they only had one cashier, and it can probably get pretty busy during, like, peak meal time. So use mobile order if you can, or just prepare to wait a little if you're not using mobile order. Finally got myself a
Melting a bit.
Mickey bar all the way.
Nice.
All right, our tummies are full and we're heading over to Toy Story Land to ride Toy Story Mania. This place also has like the best queue because they have like all these different things all over. Like it feels like you're in the Monopoly game. And then they have these like Etch-a-Sketches, which is really cool. You get to do like guessing games. The whole aesthetic is just awesome. Remember your glasses. Have fun! Yay! Whoa! I don't think I've eaten. Wow! Dexter! 96,000! Oh, best in vehicle? Oh! Dang! Yay! I think Dan got it, maybe. We all did really well that time, but Dan, he got the most. He got over 200,000. I got 173, and Alex got 160 something. Yeah, 164,000. So we're improving, but man, my arm kills.
I think Grogu approves.
The way.
This is the way.
All right.
So Dan got to meet Mando and Grogu for his birthday. He got like a good picture with him, so that was adorable and unexpected. But it is hot again, very hot. I was not expecting to get sweaty again, but here we are. We're just waiting to go on Smuggler's Run next. Okay, I decided to get green milk this time. I wonder if there's any difference. No? Nope, tastes the same, just different color. Both are very good though. I like them both.
Someone is helping her. Someone is hiding her. And someone knows where to find her. We believe that you know something, or that you were hiding something. We will find out. If you are stuck for questioning, I suggest you do as you are ordered.
All right, we're reaching the end of our time here at Hollywood Studios, so sadly. So our last ride of the day is going to be Slinky Dog, and we're headed over there now. We made it! We're all sweating, but we made it! This time I'm not going to film, I'm just going to ride the ride and enjoy it. The last ride in Disney with Alex and the family. Well, Hollywood Studios, it's been a slice. We got so much done. We're gonna miss you a lot. So now it's about 4:30. We got about an hour before we have to drop off our rental car and then head to the airport. It's so sad. But we always leave things down to the wire. We gotta soak up all the Disney things as much as possible before we have to leave. But it's been awesome. I'm gonna do final thoughts in a little bit, but we're on our way to the car, and then I'll check in with you maybe a little later, maybe at the airport, and yeah, see how it goes. Well, we're at the airport and the trip is officially over, but it's been a wonderful, wonderful trip. I think it's probably been the best trip yet. We did so much and we had such a great time. Where we stayed was amazing, and it was great to spend some time with the kids too and see it in like a different way. It's like such a different perspective to see it from a kid's eyes rather than an adult's eyes as well. So overall, it's been amazing. There's not much else to show you. It's, kind of sad to be heading home, but it is what it is. All good things must come to an end. There are more good things to come. I am going on a Disney cruise later this year and have a few other fun things lined up, so be sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!